It's so much of memories down. It's an year, and no, we are just
happy.
loving to share you more things up. Yeah, we are gonna share you now how we start off our video and our very first short.
Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Porna
And I'm Deepa.
Today we're making a simple, yummy and sweet treat.
It's paneer kheer, and now let's take a look into the ingredients.
First, like me, my mom, and my sister, that we're the pro guys. Then when I compared these videos to the old videos, I said these are not nice. And once I asked my mom, can we delete those videos, those posts?
Yeah.
On our first video that we posted, we were like, we posted to YouTube. Like first I was camera shy and never come to the camera, but sometimes I come like the taste tester. We just got 5 likes and some like 100 subscribers. We were so happy. Whoa, there's a 5 subscribers. Whoa, like something like that.
Every subscribe button we get on the very first video is so precious. We enjoyed that moment, and that was so precious, and we thought we are doing our best, but we know how much it is and how gradually everything is getting improved.
We slowly started improving. We did a lot of research. We fixed our lighting and stuff. Once we don't have a light stem in our old videos, we have a dark, complete, like literally dark background. Like when we become the pro of the cameraman and the shooting lighting is the sandwich video. We got the light first.
Yeah, I would like to thank you all for giving valuable feedbacks. Like you asked us to fix out the lights, we did that, and
the audio clarity.
We took our time to get this audio clarity done, but I think it's getting fixed. We always respect your feedbacks, and
also I've seen different in how we speak. First we were always like tense, and then slowly we gradually felt a chill. Yeah.
Now it's time to check out how much fun we have behind the shoots, and what silly things we do behind the shoots, and we have few clippings to share on this year. And Purna is going to get ready with the strawberry cupcake.
Yeah.
It's simple. It's a kid's play. And sometimes we enjoy, like we dance behind the thing when the things are getting cooked. No, we just have fun dancing. Now it's been 10 minutes and
Mom, he sings and dances, but I only like. And another
mostly I hum all Tamil songs.
Who always does the humor? It's me.
I guess the thing that keeps us chill out while shooting is Bhargav's humor.
As we said, Mom makes mistakes, and if she makes a mistake, she can be like, okay, I'm gonna stop. But then she won't stop. She'll do this funny thing.
Hit the head hard to do.
We go shopping at Target. We try to have it.
Today we are going to try a bread with a broccoli soup. Not that recipe, but just in
this nation. Hi, please. Welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Porna.
And I'm Deepa.
Hi, please. Welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Porna.
And I'm Deepa. Chicken lovers will never say no to chicken to have any time, any day. And then lots of people ask us, do you make mistakes while cooking or any errors come?
Yeah, that's
so I would like to share few of things. Do you remember our second video, Purna?
What?
You can even go and check it out now.
So basically, the funny thing is, we made a mistake it was for a mango popsicle, and in the mango popsicle video, we have to pour up the mix.
Batter.
Yeah, and that time we left this. We forgot, and we blended. We forgot the line, so we took another shot where we forgot and left the spoon into the blender, and you can see in the next shot while we're dumping it out, we're taking the spoon from the blender.
Yeah, that's so funny. Like, I didn't even notice that. My mom.
We even didn't notice that
Yeah,
while editing.
if you
We
guys-
noticed only after we posted the video.
When my mom told me after a week, I was like, drill shot. I was seeing that clip. I was like laughing hard. It was so funny.
We do wear we shot a lamb bulgogi twice.
Yeah.
It turned out to be error.
Yeah,
We thought of making a fish platter and we cooked it on clay pot. And that shoot was utter flop. We
Yeah, like,
took 2
it was-
hours or 3 hours of time, but
Yeah, so there are actually many videos that we haven't posted.
yeah, we do have errors. We planned, but no. But we keep posting what really worked out very well, and you would have by now know how beautifully the recipes are there while trying at your home.
Yeah.
So I think this answers the question. Like, we do have errors, but we keep working
Like,
hard to give you best videos, and I still think that we have to make much better. Yeah.
We didn't even know how to take a proper photo. So here are a few photos of our
Yeah.
old photos where we didn't even know how to
Yeah.
take a photo.
We'll show you how much pictures
And
we
now-
have took, and food is tasty, but how we present have gradually improved. We'll show you the improvement. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we actually started filming shorts, but none of them were looking good. We did a peanut butter shorts. They weren't really the best. Then we slowly
Understood.
watched a few. We learned how to take the shots, and now they're like we have like tons of
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like
that-
so sick.
yeah.
Videos. Check out the biryani one. It's like so massive sick.
And the best shorts video that have major views is like healthy salad. And you would have noticed sometimes we love dancing, and we have posted 2 dance videos. So apart from posting recipes, we have made Women's Day special, and we have made a food song. We love dancing, and we enjoy posting those, and it was tremendous response from you all, and you just gave us feedback that it was very fun.
Yeah, for the Women's Day we did dance. We got 1,000 subscribers. Views. Thank you for that, all of you guys. I'm so proud of that video.
Yeah.
And the main reason that we're making this video is to thank you all for subscribing,
And liking,
and
and
taking
watching
your
our
time
videos.
to watch our videos
Yeah.
every Friday 8 p.m.
So keep supporting us. We'll be keeping on growing, keeping on improving, and keeping on giving you very good content as much as possible. And we keep consistent efforts to post it at every Friday and 8 p.m. without missing it. Please watch it and keep supporting us. It's been an year, and thank you for all your support.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
And those who are watching, just subscribe, like, and view it.
And comment down below who's your favorite Mellowbite foodie.
Mine is me.
Barrio or me.
Basically, every foodies would love to watch Mellowbites. Do share it to your friends and family, and make a grow
Relatives.
bigger family. Thank you again.
Bite fam.
Bye, fam.
So, bye.